Hello friends, in previous video we seen entity setup and also introduction to entity. Today we will see a button element related to all properties like changing custom colors and also actions, icons adding, etc. End to end, what are the features have in button? We can see all of those. Firstly, have type property. We can see type. In type, like we have default link text primary dashed primary. Primary have background and white color. We have danger property link. We can give one link also. Then click on this button where we need to navigate. And click on this link, it will navigate to the Google. And click on this link, the URL open in new tab. We have target property. Will open in new tab. We want to change color of this icon. We need to give one class name. Class name submit button. I given as background color. I given as green. Color black. Like this. And the run button. The default color is displaying. If we want to change, dot submit button. We have hover property. Hover. Background color. Aqua. Color. Again black. It didn't work. Entity styles are overriding. When hover on button, our styles are not applying because entity styles have high specificity than our styles. For fixing those, we can give important. It will work, but it is not a good practice for keeping important. Instead, class selector, we can give ID. ID equal to submit button. ID selector has more specificity than class selector, so that it is working. Then click on this button, need to change color and background color. Active. We can use active. I am changing to again. Like this, we can change our custom colors. Want to perform any actions, we have onClick property. OnClick. Handle submit button. I am creating one function. I created one function handle submit button click. Mainly buttons are useful for submitting forms and uh, during API calls and also navigating. For example, whenever there is an API call in progress, we need to show any loading indicator. We can do like creating one state, loading, set loading, state of false. Initially I given as false. When click on button, we need to perform an API call like const products. I'm using one dummy API. Directly I'm using fetch call, fetch EPS dummy json.com/products const response equal to products.json. This is asynchronous calls, so we need to use async and here await. During starting of API call, we need to set loading to true. After completion of API call, we need to set loading indicator to false. Set loading of false. Products API call. This is the API call. We want to show loading indicator. Loading equal to, we need to give this state loading. Loading is displaying because of fast network. It is unable to display. I'm setting network to 3G. See, generally people will click multiple times this button. So for avoiding multiple API calls and also duplicate data, we can disable this button after first click. We can do like disable, same state we can give loading. And click on first, it will be disable. We can't click this button. Like this, we can give loading and disable. Currently, we given in try block set loading to false. If there is any error, like this, if there is any API call error, the loading will be still continued, like this. Products will be fail, but loading and button will be disabled. In that, we can write set loading false in successful and failure responses. Both cases, we need to reback the original state button. For avoiding multiple places, we have finally block to perform any action, either the API is success or not, it will work. Here, no need. I am reloading once. When click on button, the products will be fail, but still it will reback to the original state. We have block property. it will take entire width. And if you want to add any icons, entity icons have one package. Is installed. You can give icon. Icon is imported successfully. We want to change icon position. Start, default will be start. We give end, it will goes to the right of the text. Want to add some round corners, like we have shape property, shape, round. That's it guys, this is all about button. Thank you so much.